Welcome to Review and Adventure Hub. Today, we're diving deep into a professional-grade industrial ironing solution, the Silver Star EUNSUNG ES-300L Gravity Steam Iron. Whether you're running a laundry service, tailoring shop, boutique, or you're a passionate home user who demands perfect wrinkle-free results, this iron promises unmatched performance, durability, and comfort. In this exclusive unboxing and full review, I'll walk you through every single component in the box, its design and build quality, technical specifications, features, live performance tests, pros and cons, and final verdict after using it. The Silver Star ES-300L arrives in a sturdy, heavy-duty box, designed to protect every component during transport. As I open the package, the first thing I pull out is a hanging water tank, a key part of its gravity-fed steam system, which ensures a steady, uninterrupted steam flow while you iron. What really stands out here is the metal water tank valve, solid, durable, and precisely engineered to control the water supply to the iron with accuracy. This isn't a flimsy plastic piece. It's built to handle continuous professional use without leaking or wearing out easily. The valve's smooth operation gives a reassuring sense of quality, making it clear that this iron is designed for serious, long-term performance. When I open up the hanging water tank, I immediately find a few important accessories tucked neatly inside. First, there's a warranty card. Always good to keep safe, as it guarantees support in case of any manufacturing defects, which offers 1-year coverage from the date of purchase. This warranty is a sign of the manufacturer's confidence in the quality and durability of the Silver Star ES-300L. It's not just a piece of paper. It's your safety net, ensuring that if there's any defect in material or workmanship, you can get professional repair or replacement without additional cost. Next, we have a silicone hose, a flexible, heat-resistant tube designed for smooth, consistent steam delivery. This one is reinforced with a metal spring-type holder, which is a thoughtful touch. It helps secure the pipe connection to the solenoid valve tightly, preventing water leaks and ensuring the hose doesn't accidentally pop out during operation. This small detail might seem minor, but in professional ironing, it's crucial for both safety and uninterrupted performance. Finally, there's the S-hook, a simple but extremely useful accessory for hanging the water tank at the right height for the gravity-fed system to work effectively. It's strong, easy to attach, and adds to the overall convenience of setup. Now, the second thing I'm pulling out from the box is the star of the show, the main gravity steam iron unit, ES-300L. Just look at this. It has a sleek, professional design, and the solid build instantly tells you this is made for serious, long-lasting performance. Power switch/on-off switch, located conveniently for quick access. This independent power control gives you extra safety and peace of mind. When the iron isn't in use, simply switch it off without unplugging. Temperature control knob. This is your precision tool for handling different fabrics. From delicate silks to heavy-duty cotton and denim, you can adjust the heat according to fabric type to avoid scorching or damage. Steam switch. A one-touch button type that gives you instant control over steam output. Need a burst of steam for stubborn wrinkles? Just press and release when you need it. No delay, no fuss. Solenoid valve. This is where the engineering magic happens. The solenoid valve precisely controls the steam emission, ensuring you get consistent steam flow without any sudden surges or drops. If we look closely at the sole plate, you'll notice the engraved Silver Star stamp. This isn't just a printed label. It's permanently etched into the metal. That means it won't fade, peel, or wear away over time, no matter how much you use the iron. The engraving adds an extra touch of authenticity and confirms that a genuine Silver Star ES-300L power cord, extra durable and long enough to give you flexibility while ironing. Whether your ironing board is in a fixed corner or near the center of the room, this cord length makes maneuvering the iron easy and hassle-free. Right here, we have the official Silver Star branding printed on the iron's body, a mark of reliability and professional quality. The clean logo design adds to the iron's industrial-grade appeal. You can also see the model number, ES-300L, clearly printed so you know you're using the genuine product. Now, let's see how we connect the silicone hose to the solenoid valve. The silicone hose is heat-resistant and flexible, designed for smooth steam delivery. We also have this metal spring-type holder for securing the hose to the solenoid valve. This prevents water leaks and ensures the hose stays in place. No popping out or loosening during use. Finally, let's attach the S-hooks. These hooks are perfect for keeping the silicone hose and power cord neatly organized, preventing tangling while maintaining a clean workspace. Just hook them into place, and everything stays tidy while you iron. Unlike ordinary irons, this system hangs a water tank above the iron, using gravity to supply a steady, powerful stream of steam. This means fewer interruptions and consistent performance. This iron heats up fast, so you can start ironing within 2 to 3 minutes. Perfect for busy laundry environments. If left idle, the iron automatically powers down, preventing overheating and accidents. This is the EUNSUNG Silver Star ES-300L, the genuine product. In the marketplace, you'll find many copies that may look similar, but when you put them all on one table, the original stands out instantly. From the build quality, weight, and precision engineering to the engraved branding, everything about this iron says authentic. The original calls itself proudly. No other copy can match its performance or durability. Next, we have the silicone resting plate. This is a heat-resistant base designed to hold the iron safely when it's hot. It protects your work surface from heat damage and prevents the iron from slipping. The texture design also allows for better air circulation underneath, so the plate cools faster. Plus, it's flexible yet sturdy, making it easy to move around while still giving a stable resting spot for the iron during breaks and ironing. After testing the Silver Star EUNSUNG ES-300L gravity steam iron, I can confidently say it delivers professional results every time. Its powerful 1300W heating, steady gravity-fed steam, and durable construction make it a top choice for serious ironing tasks. While it's more expensive and heavier than a typical household iron, its performance, time savings, and results make it worth every penny. Thanks for watching this unboxing and review of the Silver Star ES-300L gravity steam iron. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Review and Adventure Hub, and click the bell icon so you never miss our future unboxings and reviews. See you in the next video.